Welcome back to the channel. We have this question on quadratic equation. It says if f of x is given as x squared, that is f of x is given as x squared plus px plus q. Now, since the highest power of x here is 2, we know that this is a quadratic equation. And we know that every quadratic equation takes this form: f of x is equals to ax plus bx plus c. This function has a turning point when x is equals to minus 3 and remainder of minus 6 when divided by x plus 2. Now with this, we can take two inference. As a turning point when x is equals to minus 3, we know that for every quadratic equation at turning point, we know that my x is the same thing as minus b over 2a. Now this will be the same thing as here, my a here will be the same thing as 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, a squared. My b here is the same thing as p, and my c will be equals to q. So that my x now will be the same thing as minus b, that's minus p all over 2 into 1, where a is the same thing as 1, equals x, which is minus 3. Now, so that my minus p now over 2 equals minus 3. Minus cancels minus. Obviously, p is the same thing as 3 times 2, which is equals to 6. Now, if p is equals to 6, my examiner wants us to find out the value of q. Now, to find for the value of q, remember that the remainder of minus 6 when this function is divided by x plus 2. That is, when f of minus 2 is substituted in this function, I shall have minus 6. So that minus 2 all squared minus 2, that's plus minus 2, which is x, times p is equals to 6 plus q equals minus 6. So that's minus 2 all squared, that's 4, minus 2 times 6, that's minus 12, plus q equals minus 6. Minus 4 minus 12, that's minus 8, plus q equals minus 6. Q is equals to minus 6 plus 8, which is equals to 2. So that the value of q is 2. With this, I hope you understood how I approached this problem. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.